What's up, Zach? Going over your check-in now. I'm back from Mexico, back in Ohio. Okay. Looking over your stuff already, I mean, everything looks so much better than we did the last meet prep. You're really being able to stick it to the correct form and not really having much breakdown besides kind of some similar stuff, but not as, you didn't break down as much as you did last time. You'll see a little bit on squats, but same thing. Your hips rise a little bit before your chest, but it used to be much more drastic. So now you're doing much better keeping that form unit under heavy load. That weight did move great. You see that smile on your face. But yeah, we're gonna be hitting some good PRs coming up. And then on bench, kind of the similar thing we even saw in competition. As you get towards the end, your right arm starts to lag a little bit, so it seems like you engage your left side first before your right side, which then even goes further as you keep pushing. So make sure you keep both lats engaged. I think you're missing on that right side, and then launch off the chest at the same time. You really fixed up your deadlifts. I don't know what you did to your hook grip, but it definitely helped you out in your lockout a ton. It looks so much easier than it did before. So that is awesome. Grinding out these reps, but you still got it. Excited to see what you do in competition, especially how all this form is moving. Squat, this is the best squat I've ever seen you do right here. That was perfect. I think the one thing we'll see, especially when we get that side angle on your squat, is how you kind of wobble a little bit. We'll see you from a good side view. Same thing on here, I believe, again. So yeah, you start pushing with this left side before your right off your chest. So you push, and then that side as well. So keep both those lats engaged. Engage your chest at the same time. That might be an issue with the injury you had, potentially. That was too easy. You should have went heavier. It always feels harder than it looks, though. Perfect. See, this is what I'm talking about in the squat. You are dropping into it, and then boom, you see the bar path. You're going forward and then back. It should just be straight up and down. You'll especially see it later on in that last video you took. See that one? Usually towards the bottom, that's where you get that shakiness, but this one, that mid-rep, you saw the bar literally shake back and forth. Keep that core tight, push through your legs, and that should help. Oh, we got another rep. Same thing you see, you hit the bottom, you shake, and then on the way up, it shake back and forth again as well. Keep it grinding out the chest, man. Yeah, you see how that bar just... So you basically letting your chest fall forward, you're bringing it back up. You're letting yourself fall forward, you're bringing it back. So make every rep look the same, but you know, we're getting heavy, so the form's gonna break down a little bit. Same thing here. That first rep was perfect, but then that second one, that left side, you push for your right side. But yeah, so those are all the adjustments. Everything's looking so much better than we did last prep. Great job, man. Hopefully you hit those numbers you were thinking about hitting in this next meet. I will be there. I'll be able to see it, see the improvements we've made as we went along. Enjoy this deload. I'm sure your body needs it. We'll be starting up with Hunter after that deload and right into the peak, into competition. I will see you soon. Enjoy the rest of your week. Enjoy the rest of your prep. Good luck.